Hello! Back again with our channel, Military TV. The Nord 1500 Griffon was first flown in 1955 and was an experimental French aircraft that utilized ramjet technology. It had an extremely unusual design that obviously didn't make it into production, but it put out solid performance numbers for the mid-1950 ES. In August 1953, a pair of prototypes were ordered just as Cefec was merged with another company to form Nord Aviation. Both aircraft were to be for testing purposes only, and were never intended to have military equipment installed. The Griffon. I made her first flight in September 1955. She wasn't off to a great start as the test pilot noticed it was extremely underpowered, compounded by the lack of the ramjet. Testing still proceeded, however, and 4 months later, in January 1956, the Griffon made her first supersonic flight, making it to Mach 1.15. Unfortunately, in June, during a taxi run across a field, the nose gear collapsed, causing significant damage to the aircraft, and as a result did not fly again until July. The Griffon II came next, and was equipped with the ramjet, and differed slightly from the first prototype, with an elongated fuselage and an even wider intake. She first flew in January 1957. 3 months later, in April, the first supersonic testing occurred and also produced lackluster performance, only reaching speeds of Mach 1.3. This was down to the ramjet not getting enough air. To combat this, Nord Aviation increased the airtake yet again, something that worked wonders. This change dramatically increased the aircraft's speed, reaching Mach 1.85 and even setting a speed record of 1,440 miles per hour, 2,320 kilometers per h. By June 1961, the Griffon II was retired from service. But all was not lost. The French gained a lot of knowledge from these experiments, with even the USA watching intently. The biggest concern was in regards to the ramjet exhaust, which was so hot it frequently damaged the tailpipe. With the high speeds it attained, the metal skin of the aircraft was also becoming damaged. Then redesignated N1500, 02 Griffon II. It was flown first on the 23rd of January 1957, completing more than 200 test flights before the Nord research program ended in 1959.